Rerouting the drone path now based on the new boundaries.
Good. The eastern fields show high moisture retention.
Acknowledged. We can reduce water allocation there by 10%.
Keep an eye on the flow rate.
Looks good from here.
The alignment on these furrows is perfect. So
Yeah, the data confirms it. The depth is exactly where we want it. The spacing looks good here.
Sensors are reading normal. Keep it steady.
Optimal pressure confirmed across all nozzles.
The drift is minimal. We're clear to continue the sequence.
These cuttings look really healthy today.
Yes, the size consistency is much better than the last batch.
(22.5% bricks).
Confirmed. Inputting the value now.
The trend is stable.
If we cross-reference the heat map with the maturity chart, the northern section is primed.
I concur. Initiate the harvest sequence for Tuesday morning.
This propane safer. The radar shows clear weather for the next week.
If we adjust the irrigation here, the yield projection goes up by 5%.
The alignment is off by 2 degrees. Okay, I'll adjust the tensioner now.
All checks complete on Unit 42. Pressures are optimal.
Confirmed. The load is secure.
We are clear on the left. Roger that. Engaging now.
Team 3, divert to Sector 4 immediately. We have an obstruction on the main path.
Keep it centered, it's shifting left. Got it. Adjusting the flow now.
Reading steady at 12.4% moisture.
Confirmed. Documenting now.
Got it.
Got it. Okay, that's 45 tons gross. Drive safe.
Control to Unit 4. Reroute south on the I-95. Weather is clear for the next 2 hours, but expect delays near the bypass.
All clear on the tires and load securement. Tension is good. We are clear to proceed to the next checkpoint.
Okay, pull on my count. 1, 2, 3, pull. Keep it coming.
Keep the flow steady. We're almost clear.
The concentration is stable, but the impurity readings are spiking on the graph.
I see that. Let's rerun the sample to confirm the data.
Unit 7, proceed to high grade. Bay 1 is open.
Copy that. Diverting 12 to the low-grade lane now. Hold the next one at the line.
We have some inconsistency on the far side. Noted. Overall flow looks good.
We've got too much fiber coming through. Increase the roller tension now.
I hear you. Adjusting the settings.
Temperature is holding steady at 95. Turbidity looks good.
Agreed. Flow rate is optimal.
The feed rate is fluctuating more than expected. We need to stabilize the intake.
Adjusting the flow now. Keep an eye on the temperature differential.
Gauges are synced. We're getting maximum extraction.
Confirm. The flow is consistent.
Check valve 42. Looks clear from here.
We have a fluctuation on the chart right here.
I see it. Adjust the flow rate immediately before it affects the clarification.
We're seeing optimal flocculation. The sediment is compressing well.
Agreed. The data aligns with the visual confirmation.
We have an anomaly on the flow indicator, section 7G. Purity levels are spiking.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the clarification flow.
Check the status on the H level.
Reading confirmed. Stable at 90%.
We've reached the target flow rate for the vacuum pan.
Confirmed. Pressure levels are stable. Torque holding steady at 50 kilonewton meters.
And the temperature is stable at 65 Celsius.
The crystallization is accelerating exactly as predicted.
Maintain vacuum pressure and monitor the growth rate closely.
That's a heavy strike. Looks like it's making it to the pipes clean.
Readings are steady. We have stabilization.
Copy that.
Flow rate looks good.
We have a slight fluctuation on indicator 3.
I see it. The tablet shows it's within tolerance, but let's watch the flow.
The moisture levels look consistent across the batch.
Good. We are cleared to maintain the flow rate.
Airflow looks stable. Temperature holding steady at 85.
Okay.
Residual moisture levels are dropping nicely. We're within spec.
That's a clean separation right there.
We'll say. Best batch we've had all morning.
Uniformity is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Everything is running smoothly.
The moisture content on this batch is slightly elevated.
Agreed. Grain structure looks consistent though.
Reflectance is holding at 99.85.
Impurity index confirms the grade, 0.015.
The data aligns perfectly with the sample specifications.
The crystal structure is excellent. Approved for packaging.
Agreed.
Turning the valve now. Keep an eye on the pressure. Steadying out nicely. Looks good.
See that spike right there?
The rejection arm caught it. Looks stable now.
Good, let's keep monitoring the flow.
We have an anomaly on line 3. Particle count spiking.
Confirmed. Rerouting the flow and initiating localized sterilization sequence.
There it goes. Log the rejection sequence and the particle ID.
Sequence logged. Particle identified as an oversized silicate.
It missed the northeast quadrant near the crystallization vats.
I'll reroute it manually. The dust levels are high there.
The sugar level is exactly where it should be.
And the temperature is stable after that adjustment. Optimal storage confirmed.
Torque is good on valve 4.
Verified. Now let's check the emergent stop.
Hitting the sequence.
And confirmed, everything is within compliance.
Scan complete. Readability confirmed.
Good, the alignment is holding steady. The batch numbers look consistent.
Yeah, alignment is spot on for the whole run.
See how the sensors align the bags right before the insertion point. That ensures perfect placement every time.
It's impressive how fast it is.
The grid pattern stability looks good on sector 4.
Yes, the alignment metrics are holding steady.
The tension looks good on this one.
Yeah, settings are holding steady.
Pallet 204 successfully delivered to location B7.
Acknowledged. System is running smoothly.
The average compression resistance is slightly below the required threshold.
We need to recommend a thicker corrugated medium for the next batch.
The seals look intact. Moisture levels are good.
Confirmed on the digital log. Ready for sign-off.
Approved.
Pallet 34B is secured and ready for loading. Confirm slot 7.
Confirmed. Move to zone 4.
Throw me the other end. Got it. Make sure that's tight.
We need this entire row cleared by 1600 hours for the Costco order. The manifest checks out.
The sugar pallets on line 4 are moving faster than projected. Confirmed.
Rerouting the next batch to dock 7 for optimization.
In 200 feet, turn right onto the access road. Your destination is on the left.
That's the last one. Total count is good.
Perfect, noted on the sheet.